Hello, let's see how to create a custom report in one-click survey with different elements from data analysis. After we gather our survey data, we can create a report in the tab Analyze, Reports, Custom Report. Under Base, we can generate certain basic reports for all survey questions such as summary, frequencies, descriptives, and charts. Later we can customize the report by deleting or adding new questions or elements. If we want to add only specific elements, we can choose Add Element and select the analysis type. For example, Summary for the first question. We can add text, e.g. the title Summary. Elements can be freely moved with the mouse. We can switch between the collapsed and expanded view. And also open or close individual elements. On the right, we can copy and delete specific elements. We can see a preview of our custom report. For charts, we can change the chart type and other advanced settings. We can also add a table. In the top right corner, the report can be printed or exported. By clicking on the pencil icon, the report can be renamed and shared with other survey editors. By clicking on the plus icon, we can create a new report. If we don't want to include all respondents in our report, we can select only valid units or apply additional filters. This was a display of creating a custom report in one-click survey.